When I was diagnosed, I received just a tremendous amount of support from family and friends, particularly my church family. But there was that missing piece where I knew they wanted to help me and understand me, but it wasn't something that I felt that I was being understood.
My level of anxiety was not healthy for me, and it was becoming rapidly clear that I needed to do something proactive to get to a healthier place in order to get through this.
I can remember after my first infusion was on a Monday, and I got up on Wednesday, and that was going to be the first day, I believe, or it was one of our meetings, one of our early meetings, and I was determined to get there no matter what. I was feeling terrible, but I'm so glad I did. And I'll tell you that I drive about an hour and a half to get here, and it was worth it every single week.
Many people experience a cancer diagnosis as a crisis that creates a lot of stress. I've heard people describe being diagnosed with cancer and going through cancer treatment as one of the most stressful things, if not the most stressful thing they've ever gone through in life. We know that high levels of stress can have a very real impact on our physical health and emotional health. It can impact our blood pressure, our immune system, our mood, our energy level, and our general ability to take care of ourselves the way we normally would. So being able to manage stress can be a powerful tool in promoting our own health. It can also be a way for us to regain a sense of control in a situation where we may often feel we do not have a lot of control. This is where From Cancer to Health comes in. From Cancer to Health is a 12-week group for women with cancer that focuses on managing stress related to cancer diagnosis and cancer treatment. The group is very structured. Everyone gets a book, and we follow a curriculum which teaches a new strategy every week.
What this group brought more than any other support group that I've participated in is the structure. There's a structure, so there's things you're learning, but you're still getting that same atmosphere of bonding with other people that you want out of support groups. So it's just more you get more out of it. You come out of there with a solution, not just a bond. It's both things.
We use a combination of education, skill building, practice, discussion, and support to help group members discover new ways of coping that work for them.
You know, just knowing and validating that, I've had this problem, and then hearing everybody else in the group say, yeah, I've had that same problem, say neuropathy or some of the other things, family issues, just some simple things like getting your house clean, getting help from friends and family, and who you can go to for emotional support, who you can go to for practical support.
From Cancer to Health is a closed group. That means that everyone starts and finishes together. This is important because it allows us to get to know each other really well, to trust each other, and create an environment where everyone feels safe and supported.
And it was very non-judgmental. And the group that we had, we were all from very various ages and backgrounds and ethnicity and religious beliefs. And yet I felt very comfortable, and I know everybody else did too.
When we first started out, the leaders were primarily talking, and we were listening, and we had a shorter time of sharing. And I think that was good because the group needs to build its own dynamic. And as the weeks went on, we got to know each other more and know about each other more. And as we felt more comfortable about sharing, that was when we had more opportunity to share. And I really like that aspect of it.
What makes From Cancer to Health unique is that it is an evidence-based intervention. That means that all of the coping skills we teach have actually been studied and proven to be effective in reducing stress.
What I liked about this group was that you bring up your problems, but then you also try to figure out how you can best solve those problems using tools that are recommended by the structure of the group. And so it's not like you're just kind of going to a group and complaining or venting even. It's just you actually leave feeling a little bit like I can figure out how to get a solution when I walk out the door.
There have also been randomized controlled studies looking at the effectiveness of From Cancer to Health with breast cancer patients. Researchers found that women who participated in From Cancer to Health demonstrated reduced anxiety by 77%, improved perception of social functioning by 231%, improved physical functioning by 276%, and reduced risk for cancer recurrence by 55%. We know that when people come to a place like UC Davis Comprehensive Cancer Center, they are expecting quality medical care based on the most up-to-date research and knowledge. It's important to us that the supportive care we offer our patients be held to the same standard, and From Cancer to Health maintains that standard. When you attend the group, you can be assured that you are learning proven strategies that can actually make a difference in your cancer journey and in your life. So how does From Cancer to Health actually work? The stress management skills that you will learn are going to help you do a number of things. First, these skills will help you increase your resistance to stress. From Cancer to Health will help you be better able to tolerate stress without feeling overwhelmed or exhausted. You will learn how to contain and minimize stress so that it's easier to manage and does not bleed into other areas of your life. That will lessen the negative impacts of stress. You'll increase the number of strategies you can use to cope with stress. We all have coping skills that we've used effectively. Most of us have one or two that we rely on because they've worked well for us in the past. Imagine stress is like a tennis ball being tossed at you, and the only thing you have to fend it off is a tennis racket. So long as only one tennis ball is coming at you, that works just fine. However, the stress we experience from cancer and cancer treatment is like having a number of tennis balls coming at you over an extended period of time from different directions. Suddenly, that one racket isn't enough to keep you from getting hit. Participating in From Cancer to Health is like equipping yourself with chest pads, a catcher's mitt, a face guard, and maybe even a net behind you. The tennis balls keep coming, but now they're doing a lot less harm, and you are in a lot more control. From Cancer to Health will help you learn to recover from stress faster and get back to your normal level of functioning. And lastly, From Cancer to Health helps reduce the likelihood of future stressors by teaching you how to better anticipate and prepare for stress.
It's such a stressful time, and unfortunately, having cancer, there's even more dumped on you that it's sort of on you as the patient to figure out how to navigate your relationships with other people and the most effective way to get what you need. But it's true, and this group really helps with that.
Oh, don't even hesitate. I'd sign up immediately. You can't do this alone. Cancer is not just about you. It's about you, your friends, your family, your community, and you need the help.
I would highly, highly recommend people to reach out. Because I remember hearing somewhere that what is speakable is manageable. So if you can speak about it, you can manage it.
From Cancer to Health is open to any woman with cancer at any point in treatment or survivorship. And we are working on starting a group for men as well. We hold several groups a year, and you don't have to be a UC Davis patient to join. The group is also free. If you would like to enroll in From Cancer to Health, or you have questions about the program, contact the Supportive Oncology Services. We're here to help.